Today, Sam wanted to make a paper plane that could fly. His sister Lily smiled and said, "Follow simple steps." They took one clean sheet of paper. First, they folded it in half and opened it again. Next, they folded the top corners to the middle line. Sam pressed the edges slowly. Then, they folded the new top down once more. "Keep lines neat," Lily said. After that, they folded both sides to make wings. Sam made sure the wings were even. He added small wing tips by bending the edges up. They went outside where the air was calm. Sam held the plane level and threw it gently. The plane glided forward and stayed in the air. Sam laughed with joy. "Why does it work?" he asked. Lily said, "Straight folds make balance, and gentle throws keep it smooth." Sam tried again and again. Each time he learned a little more. Soon, his plane flew farther than before. He felt proud and excited.